Om Namah Shivaya. Here we are saying miracle Shiva Parvati Valambari Edambari conch. This conch has two openings. See, this is a right opening and left opening. Two openings. So it is called Shiva Parvati Valambari Edambari conch. A right open, left open conch. See, it's a miracle conch. You can see right open, left open in the same single conch. It's a very unique formation. Only one piece in the well. Shiva Parvati Valambari Edambari conch. Right open, left open conch. Dakshinavati Varmavati conch. Dakshinavati Varmavati conch. It holds water both the side. Side two opening. This is a right opening and left opening. It is Shiva Parvati Valambari Edambari conch. Right open, left open conch. Dakshinavati Varmavati conch. Only one piece in the world. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.